Okay, today we're going to go over a new application for your Gmail. It's a contact management system that is absolutely phenomenal. A lot of these things, their integration is so-so and doesn't really work to what you really would like to do it with. But here it's a free account. You just simply enter in your Gmail address and it'll begin processing the data and logging all of your past sent and received emails, as well as all of your contacts in your Gmail database. We could do a whole tutorial about what this site actually does. However, today what I want to show you is my favorite part about etacts, which is what it actually does to your Gmail. I don't know about you, but I hate when I have an application that's supposed to help me with an existing application and I have to go to a different website to actually access the information. What etacts does, which is really ingenious, is simply embeds certain qualities or parts of it into your actual Gmail. So if we look at this first screenshot here, we can see that right away up in the right hand corner here, etacts has been enabled, and all of a sudden there's a bookmarklet here awaiting reply. So by clicking this, you can go ahead and see all the emails that have been sent to you that are still awaiting reply, which I think is a handy functionality, especially if you have as many emails as I do. Next screenshot we're going to look at is when you receive an email, or excuse me, when you're writing an email, you'll see now that there's a new addition to your compose box which says remind. You can check this box and set the number of days to remind you that you still have not received a reply back from this individual. So it's a great way if you're sending quotes out or proposals to set a date for you to check back and see if they had time to review what you had sent them. And finally, when you read an email that someone has sent to you, a whole bunch of different things become integrated. You can see in the top right corner of the email that was sent to you, they'll embed information about that contact, such as their profile picture, any social links that they're a part of, their title, and then you can even click more and there's even more information about that contact. Up here on the right, you can see that it gives you the name and email of the person who you're reading the email from, and you can select to stay in touch with that person. It'll give you reminders however often you want to connect with this individual. Below that, there's a scrolling box that shows you past emails or conversations between the two of you, which is awesome because this way is a quick way to get away from having to search in your Gmail. You can just actually see all of the past conversations down here in a list. Next, we see there's a field here that you can enter the Twitter username for that contact and see recent tweets from that individual. And then down here is kind of a bird's eye view of all the emails sent and received between the two of you, which is a nice little feature. And that is pretty much it. This contact management has been great. I've been actually using it, which is really beneficial. The other thing too is that the more and more it seems to work with Gmail, it seems to embed new things as the days go on. For example, all of this stuff here wasn't here originally when I had signed up, and then slowly over the next couple days it started integrating more and more features. So I don't know if it's done yet, but I'm excited. I think you should all try it out. The web address is etacts.com. It's etacts.com. And this is Nick from the Media Forest 8. Hope to see you next time. Thanks.